Hi guys and welcome to my channel. So if you're new here, hello, my name is India. I run British Beauty by India here on YouTube. I'm so dead. And what is my hands doing? Now if you take a quick scroll through my videos, you will see I'm predominantly a beauty channel. I do makeup, I do a lot of skincare, and I think I have one hair video thrown in there for fun. It's not my thing, I'm sorry, I'm not gonna lie. However, you will see a lot of lifestyle, you'll see a lot of tips and tricks videos and beauty treatment videos. So if that sounds like something you guys are interested in, please consider subscribing and coming to join me. I also post a lot on Instagram. So if you would like to see more of my face and a lot that you don't see here on YouTube, come and follow me at This Is India Madeline on Instagram. You get my gist. I'm there. If you want, come follow me. Okay, so before I get into the video, I'm very sorry, as always, with these kinds of videos. I work from a list. If you are a returning subscriber, you will know I go off on tangents a lot. So I have to keep myself in check. Especially when we talk about something like this that I'm very passionate about. I do love the product, I'm not going to lie. So we need to keep it contained, to the point, and coherent. I'm going to talk to you seriously now for a second or two, but you need to listen to me. So, this is a prescription product, okay? It's a prescription only product. So it needs to be used accordingly, okay? So you need to understand that this is a serious ingredient and it is a serious product, basically. Serious. I just need you to understand fundamentally this is serious. This is about Skinoren and Skinoren only, okay? This is not about azelaic acid in a whole, okay? This is Skinoren. That's all we're going to talk about. This is a video all about how to use Skinoren, okay? I'm not going to go into any other details other than the very basics of how to use it, because I have a video all about Skinoren. Literally everything you could possibly want to know, like everything, okay? Everything is in this video. So I am going to link the video down below as well. Now, if you have come across this video first, please watch the other one before watching this, because it'll just make more sense. This is probably my fault, because the minute that this video went live, or that video went live, what? I was absolutely bombarded by comments, text messages. I even got a friend that phoned me asking me how to use it. I'm like, wait, what did I not say? So here we are. I just was like, you know what, instead of replying to everyone and everything, it was a lot. I was like, you know what, fine. I'll sit down and do a whole video on it. It's such a good product. I actually do believe that, clearly I failed in the first video, I do believe it is so good that it does deserve its own videos. So, here we go. Are you ready? By far, this is one of the easiest products in your acne fighting department, okay? Meaning it works well with your everyday skincare, and it works well with primers and makeup and the lot. It works very well under all of those. That being said, this is a standalone product, okay? This is very important. It is a standalone product. Now when I say standalone, I mean you cannot layer this with any other acne fighting ingredient, okay? So do not layer this with AHAs, do not layer this with BHAs, do not layer this with tretinoin, do not layer this with tadalafil. Can't think of anything else. Benzoyl peroxide. This, yeah, do not use anything together, yeah? No, have to get that across because it's very important, because your skin will burn off. However, that being said, this works brilliantly in conjunction with them, right? So you know you cannot layering them, but you can use it in conjunction with and on the same day, okay? If your skin can tolerate it, that is. Please always listen to your skin and what it can and cannot handle. You can use this during the day and you can use your tretinoin at night, okay? You can use your salicylic acid and your glycolic kind of acid toners during the day, and then use Skinoren at night. Like, you can use them the same day, just do not layer them, okay? Okay, moving on. Having said all of that, this 100% actually does work better in conjunction. If you watch the other video, it'll make more sense. I personally don't think this is a good product just on its own. This works. You will see such amazing results with this in conjunction with benzoyl peroxide, tretinoin, and salicylic acid. It's just, yes, you need it with everything. And it's such a good add-on product. It's just absolutely brilliant. I have to stop myself there because I will just go on about how good it is. But it is an add-on product, okay? Please use this in conjunction with just not layering it. It's a lot, I know, I'm sorry, but I hope you get my point. Just watch the other video, it makes so much sense. And in the other video, I go on about how much I love it, so I'm not going to say it now. Shh, shh. So if you're starting Skinoren, my best advice with everything actually in this department is to start slow and to start steady, okay? Slow and steady. That is the aim of this game, okay? So the first day you come to use it with a moisturiser, see how your skin goes, yeah? See how your skin reacts. If your skin reacts well, go in it a lot, like go and use it alone the next day without anything, and again, see how your skin reacts. And the reason I say during the day, I say this a lot with these kind of products, but obviously try to know it, and exactly. The reason I say during the day is because if you use it during the day, you are awake and you can watch out for irritation if irritation occurs. And you can basically just wash it off before you actually damage anything and hurt yourself. If all of that goes well, you can use it like this. ... So on the box it says, and actually general advice of usage of this product says you can use it twice a day. Okay, fine, that's fine. You can use it twice a day. That's absolutely cool. That is one way you can use it. You can wear it under your makeup during the day, and then you can obviously wear it under your kind of usual nighttime moisturiser, if said moisturiser has no actives in it, like the ingredients I said earlier. Remember, no layering. And obviously you can wear it completely alone. You don't have to buffer it with moisturiser at all. Again, what your skin can tolerate. And obviously you can alternate it with the ingredients that I said earlier. That's fine. So personally, I think the best way to use it is on the affected areas. If I didn't say that before, by the way, you have to use this on the affected areas and on the affected areas only. I wouldn't ever suggest putting all over your face. Remember that your face may just be one part of skin to what we see, but know this, that there is lots of parts of your facial skin that are different, okay? So a lot of skin on your face can't be treated with the same ingredients that the rest of your face can. Okay, i.e. do not ever touch the underneath of your eye with any of these products. But you get my gist, affected areas only. See, this is what I'm saying, tangent, like where did that even come from? I didn't write that down. Ah, focus. Where was I? Personally, I think the best way to use this is on your affected areas during the day, and do your usual face stuff, and then leave the nighttime for your big guns, like i.e. tretinoin, adapalene, over-the-counter retinol, like whatever your potion is. And the reason being is obviously you can't use those ingredients during the day. Now, I don't just use Skinoren. I don't even think I have shown you Skinoren yet, but this is Skinoren. I don't just use this. I absolutely love salicylic acid. I absolutely love my glycolic acid. Like, I love all of these ingredients, so I don't just use this at all. So I alternate. Like, one day I'll wear this, the next day I will wear my salicylic acid toner or my glycolic toner, or God only knows, both of them together majority of the time. So I can have all of these ingredients in my routine. But please don't ever layer, okay? We're just going to keep saying that, and saying that, and saying that. Do not ever layer. Now, if you have super sensitive skin, like I said, this is prescription strength. So, it's no joke. This is 20% azelaic acid, okay? A lot of dermatologists and doctors will say to use this if you do have sensitive skin, but this is still strong. Do not get it twisted. So the best way I can say, I have just cracked mine open and it's now going all over my hands. Brilliant. Just bloody brilliant. I don't even know how that's happened. Oh, because it's that. This is why I hate these kind of tubes, man. I'm going to have to sellotape that together. Great, brilliant. Okay, that's going down, but I shouldn't have been whacking it around in the first place. I can't even remember what I was talking about. Okay, where was I? So a lot of dermatologists and doctors will obviously advise Skinoren for the sensitive skin types. It is irritating, so I'm not even going to pretend that it's not. So the best way to use it, if that's your skin, is to buffer it with a good moisturiser, a good basic moisturiser, obviously, no actives. So think CeraVe and I don't even know. Whatever your choice is, just make sure it doesn't have any actives in it. You can mix it in with your actual moisturiser and then put it on your face, or you can put that. You can put Skinoren on your face and then your moisturiser, or you can put your moisturiser on your face and then you can put Skinoren. Like, you get my gist. Very easy. And then obviously use it like once or twice a week with days in between. And please don't ever think that by using it like once or twice a week will ever deter the effects of it, because it won't. You will get the same results. It'll just take longer to get there. Now, the truth is, if you suffer from acne and breakouts, it's a long game anyway. All all these ingredients that I ever talk about in the fight against acne causes skin sensitivity. You know, the aim of the game, okay, is to get rid of the acne and the breakouts, not get rid of the first 5 layers of your skin, okay? We do not want to shoot our skin to shit. So slow and steady is the aim of the entire game, okay? So please, slow and steady, even if you haven't got sensitive skin. So following on from that, please be aware that obviously it can cause sensitivity. So 1 week you will be absolutely fine to use it, and then the next week your skin is going to get irritated. That is completely normal with all of these products, right? It's actually completely normal because they cause sensitivity. So like I said, it's a journey. You'll have really sensitive skin 1 week and then not so sensitive skin the next, and then I'll go like this. I will keep reiterating, you need to listen to your skin. Now if this happens at any point, obviously just stop everything, let your skin heal, let your skin recover, and then carry on. Please know that it is actually, like, what have I done with my hair? Please know it's absolutely normal. A lot of people will be like, oh, I'm reacting to it really badly half a year down the line. It's like, well, yes, because your skin is like this. It's completely normal, absolutely normal. You're fine. You just need to stop. I think I've said that about 5 times now, so moving on. So that's it in a nutshell. I hope I've managed to get across the best ways to use it. The thing is with this product, bar the fact that you can't layer it, it's such a good versatile add-on product that it actually just does not come with, doesn't come with set in stone instructions. And I think that's where the confusion comes from, because I'm not going to just sit here and say, yep, this is how you use it and this is how you use it only. Yeah, no, it's not. I know for some people, I can't believe I just picked that up again. I know for some people, they want set in stone instructions. I know it can be overwhelming to try and work out where all these ingredients, these products fit into your routine, and obviously how to use them together. Like, I know it's a lot, but if you need me to tell you exactly how to use everything, the best advice I can give is for you to follow what I said earlier. Starting slow, starting steady. You can use it this day, you can use it that day. Never layer it. I'm not going to go into it again. That is how to use it. And then write out a plan. I know it's a lot, and I know it's probably asking a lot, and you're probably sitting there going, like, really, seriously, that's a little bit, you know, dramatic. But the truth is, acne and breakouts can cause quite serious emotional distress, again, without trying to sound dramatic, but it's very true, it's very real. A lot of people really suffer with it. A lot of people, without the advice of a dermatologist, because I 100% understand how expensive a dermatologist is, and if you're like me, I can't afford a dermatologist, okay? I can't, not right now. I work my plan out myself. It's not hard. The main rule is obviously to listen to your skin. You can write out a plan with so much on it and like, do this, do that, but the truth is, your skin might say otherwise. So that has to be your #1 rule that you follow. Always listen to your skin. I always think we need all the help we can get in this kind of situation, and to kind of control this situation, because this situation is so out of our control, if that makes sense. I can't control what happens to my face to a certain extent, but I can to a certain extent with this and my plan. You need to write it down, especially if you're like me and you use all the ingredients in your arsenal. You need to plan it. It's as simple as that. Like, you need to plan this stuff. When I say write it all down, I mean like a plan from Monday to Sunday, right? Just like a planner. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. You get my gist. Saturday, Sunday. So for example, okay, this is very, very strictly an example. Okay? Monday, benzoyl peroxide in the morning, right? As a spot treatment. Wash it off. Put your Skinoren on during the day under your moisturiser with no actives in it. Makeup, yada yada. Have that on all during the day. Come to take it off, and then, you know, you use your adapalene at night. Tuesday, good old moisturiser. During the day. Tuesday night, glycolic acid overnight treatment. Wednesday, salicylic acid toner, glycolic acid toner, whatever you want, well, both if you want, under your makeup, and then you wash it off, and then you put some benzoyl peroxide on your face as a spot treatment, wash that off, and then a good moisturiser mask overnight. Thursday, again, Skinoren during the day, then adapalene and moisturiser at night. This is obviously all just an example. Like I said before, you need to work with your skin and its tolerance to all of these ingredients. And also you need to be prepared to stop, okay? You need to be prepared that come Wednesday, your skin's gonna go, yeah, no more, can't take any more, and it's like a little bit itchy and it's a bit red, and you're gonna have to take 3, 4, 5 days off, okay? And just use your basic moisturiser or a reparative balm, like whatever your skin needs. So yeah, you need to be prepared to do that, because irritation is somewhat inevitable, basically, with these ingredients. So you'll need to take time off from them to let your skin heal and recover. I've actually got a video planned. My plan is to put basically what I've just said all in one kind of comprehensive, cohesive video for you guys to follow and for you guys to kind of start to create your own plan alongside in-depth information about ingredients and products. I know some people don't understand ingredients and just want to see products, so we got a bit of both, because I'm going to keep saying this, dermatologists are so expensive, so I just wanted to put something together for you guys at home to be able to start this journey on your own, you know, and fully understand what you kind of need to do, all about your ingredients, for you to kind of put together a comprehensive plan for yourself to treat your face, basically. Saying all of this, everything that I've just said, if you are dealing with serious acne, and when I mean serious, I mean serious cystic acne, you have to not listen to me, right? You have to get off YouTube and you have to go and seek out medical help. That is the most serious form of acne that there is, and I will not sit here and tell you that yes, Skinoren is going to help you. It's not. You need to get proper professional help. Go to your doctors and then get a referral to a dermatologist, like whatever. You need to get their help. Okay, I know a lot of people want to help themselves, but there are some things that you literally cannot do yourself. And don't even get it twisted. If at any point you think, no, I need someone's help, go get it. It can be a lot easier just to get someone to tell you what to do. I understand that. But if you're like me, then I have videos, and I have videos coming. I have a serious obsession with this, because I've been dealing with this since my 20s, like early 20s and all throughout my 20s. So when I say it's become an obsession, it's become an obsession. And okay, bar this area, because I've got perioral dermatitis at the moment, I really don't suffer with breakouts anymore, and this is why. So I'm just saying, I am proof that you can do it on your own. Okay, went way off piste again. Let me look at my list. What's going on? Okay, I'm going to end this video now, but I'm going to end it with saying I absolutely love Skinoren. I think it's a brilliant product. I think it's a super underrated ingredient, and I really hope that for you guys who are sitting there watching me right now, you watch my other video on it, I really hope that you will soon see the results of it like I have, and obviously find the love for it that I have, because I really love it and I think it's super good. I tried to make this as little information as possible, but I probably failed anyway, because you know me. So if you have any questions at all, please comment below, find me on Instagram, slide into my DMs. Like I said earlier, I have been dealing with this kind of bollocks for absolute years now. I know exactly how you feel, so if you need to have a conversation, or we need to have a conversation, please feel free to start one. I know, and I'm there for you if you need it. That is it. That is it. I really hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please give it a thumbs up, because by giving it a thumbs up, you let me know what content you are liking of mine, and I can make more of it. But more importantly, if you would like to see this face again and would like to see what I have coming, please hit that subscribe button alongside the notification bell, because I have no idea when I upload, because I have a 2-year-old. That quite literally dictates my life. I hope you guys are all okay wherever you are in the world. I'm sending you lots of love as always, and I will see you in the next video.